Magic art.
Hello friends, welcome to Magic Art. How to draw simple cute boat, easy drawing and coloring for kids. Hey kids, ready to sail without getting wet? Let's draw a boat that even fish will admire. If you can draw one line at a time, you can make a super cute boat. With me, let's go! Follow my steps and you will have a boat ready to sail on your paper ocean. Step 1. Smile. Step 2. Grab your pencil. Step 3. Let's draw cutest boat ever. Don't skip any step or your boat might turn into a sandwich. This boat is so easy, even your little brother can become an artist today. Let's build a boat step by step, on tools, on nails, just pure fun drawing. By the end of the video, your boat will be ready for an imaginary ocean adventure.
Magic art.